Azure, what is that? Azure, what is that big old thing? He's like, I feel safer with somebody to go look with me.
What is it, Jim?
What is that?
Is he like that? Right there. He was barking at Azure.
Oh, he's barking at Dasher. Oh, there. Oh, yeah, there he is.
Hi, Pilgrim.
Look at Pilgrim. Here they come, Pilgrim. And look at Asher looking at it. They're going to look at him.
What is that, Azure?
Pilgrim is mesmerized with him.
I can't believe he's walking towards him.
I can. He's curious.
Yeah.
Klondike keeps walking in front of him. He's like, no, I really want to get a closer look.
Look at Asher. Look at that.
What do you think, Pilgrim?
That's Azure. Azure's the one barking.
Yeah, it's Azure barking. Klondike used to see
What
him.
is that big thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Like, I'm coming to check you out, man.
Look at
I can't believe he has the guts to do that.
Why?
I don't know. It's funny.
that.
Kibo was just wagging his tail too. I mean, Pilgrim.
He's slowly getting a little closer. Oh, look at that. Pilgrim says, where'd they go?
Pretty neat life, isn't it?
Yeah.
Having all this room for the dogs and
Oh yeah.
not have to worry about them.
It's awesome.
He hasn't seen the zebras or the wildebeest yet.
Okay, that's fine.
You're popular. Oh my gosh.
Getting closer.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
Wow.
Is he urinating?
No.
Or is he just standing in a
Mhm.
certain position?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's right. He's a male dog. At that age, he lifts his leg.
Yeah.
Yeah. Klondike doesn't do that yet.
Yeah. Azure just kind of started more recently.
See, Klondike cuts through over here. There's a little hole he cuts through.
Oh. Oh, I see that. Azure, who's
Okay,
that?
There you go.
The zebras are playing.
What do you think, Pilgrim, huh? New little pup in town.
He's like, yeah, I think he's okay.
Zebra having fun. You having fun too, huh?
Azure! Here he comes.